Hey, hello boys and girls. Okay, I got lucky and I found a hoist. Okay, we're in the truck and about ready to head out. My old girl. My 95 F-150. Love this thing. It's a beater, but love it. Alright, let's roll. Okay, boys, I got the hoist. It's in pieces. I could have come up with a jet, I think, but oh well. I met Jerry, nice guy, but his cars are all up on the hoist and covered up, so I didn't bother doing any video of the cars. But I'm definitely gonna this year sometime because he has a really sweet Fox and a really sweet 197, really nice clean cars. So I'll definitely get him on the video. Alrighty, I'm heading home. Yeah, baby. We have engine hoist. Thank you, Brian Gallagher, for hooking me up with your hoist, buddy. And Jerry Babineau for meeting me tonight to pick it up. But that's as far as I'm going to go. I got it together. Hey, everybody. Okay. Got the hoist together. Got the engine lifted up. And I got this mother effer out without having to remove the steering shaft. Now getting the new one in, I might have to remove the steering shaft and the oil dipstick, which I probably will just to get it the hell out of my way. Alrighty, so now I'm going to attempt to put in the new ones, but I'm going to work on this side because apparently this is the one that gives the most trouble. So alright, I'm going to struggle fitting it in, but I don't think I'm going to video any of it. Guys, I'll just show you it when I'm done. Okay. Yeah. When you do things for a first time, accidents happen. I'm in need of a new rad, guys. When I started bringing the engine down again, it didn't come down straight, and the fan punctured my rad. Oh well, live and learn. So now you guys know not to make the same mistake. Remove the fan when you're messing with your engine. Oh man. Alright, I'm going to remove the starter because... Okay. I'm going to remove the starter because I'm not making any headway. The reason I was going to drop the engine was because I was going to wait for my buddy Brad. But then that happened And I'm miserable, so I'm going to carry on and try not to break more stuff, but I'm going to get the starter out at least. Alrighty then. Well, as you can see, trying to install the damn headers destroys the wrap job I did. Because they don't go in real easy. Oh well. Okay, after much struggle and much knuckle banging. Yeah, baby! She is in there! Okay, I'm not celebrating too heavily yet, but I got past the hardest part, man. I am getting giddy now. Alrighty. So it's hard to video when my hands are in there, and guys, oh my god, what a disaster this has been, I'm telling you. So I'm doing my best to keep up to date what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna put a couple of bolts in and then bring it down slowly and work on the other side. That's how I've been told the best way to do it. So I'm getting excited.